Hi, I am Nitin. I have been doing bodyweight training from past 2 years. You can build muscle and burn fat just using your own body weight. The benefits of bodyweight is it's a free of cost. You can do anywhere at any time. You no need to go for gym and use fancy equipments. And you can also learn a life-changing skills like handstand and so on. After the COVID outbreak, we all are working from home for more than 8 to 10 hours. Due to frequent lockdown, we have no access to gym, public parks and outdoor. Some of you may have gone through these daily routines. We may suffer from health issues like gaining weight, muscle imbalances and tightness, joint problems and bad postures, eyesight problems and increase in stress levels. To overcome these health issues, I will be showing you some morning mobility routines. It is of 4 exercises. Each exercise is for 30 seconds. You can build muscle and burn fat just using your own body weight. Now you have seen the exercise part. The other important part is nutrition. When it comes to nutrition is to have a balanced diet. A good source of carbohydrates are whole grains, beans and lentils. A good source of protein are lean meats, poultry, fish and soya. A good source of healthy fats are low-fat dairy products, eggs and nuts. Also includes fruits and vegetables for vitamin and minerals. For recovery, have a good sound sleep for 6 to 8 hours.